Hi, this is Tom from Form Assembly with a quick demonstration on using a new webhook connector in workflow to integrate with DocuSign. You can see here we have a simple workflow with a form, a thank you page, and then the new webhook connector. This has been authorized via OAuth to DocuSign, and then within the configuration tab, I'm sending over the request to send one of my envelope templates. You can see I'm using email address, first name, and last name fields from my form to get that sent over. In here, you can see that I currently have no agreements. My inbox is empty. So if we go ahead and complete the workflow, okay, and if we go ahead and check the responses page, you'll see the log of that response there and that the webhook did successfully run. You'll also see I now have received that DocuSign email, so I can review the document and click sign where needed. You'll also see within your DocuSign dashboard that obviously that also went through.